Hello my friends, it is lunchtime with Linda. I'm Linda Bradley from Princess House, and I try to bring you fun, easy, healthy recipes that you can make for your family, especially now during this time where we're all home all the time, cooking all the time. So today I decided to make a healthy recipe in our high-speed blender, and it's going to be hummus. So I don't know if you guys have had hummus before. It's really delicious, and it's another great way to sneak vegetables into your kids' lives because you can mix it with so many different things. They sell all different kinds of it, but it's super easy to make. I'm going to use the high-speed blender, and I told you this the other day. I love this piece. It has 3 programmable settings that you can make a smoothie, which is a great time, right? You make your protein shakes. It has one for soup. In 7 minutes, the soup comes hot. It's amazing. And then the one we're going to use today is for dips and spreads. It also has an adjustable. You can put low, medium, high, whatever you want. But today I'm going to do the dip one. So this recipe is super easy. The first thing you're going to put in is 2 cans of chickpeas. So one of the cans they want you to drain, and the other one you can leave in the liquid. I'm using our easy, I showed you this the other day, our can opener. It's so easy to use. People just love it. And then it has this little thing on the ends that once you're finished, you go ahead and just take off your lid. But the amazing part is that there are no sharp edges. It cuts around the sides and not the top. So this is the second can of chickpeas, and then we're just going to add everything in. So I have a 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then you can add a little extra olive oil to the top of it. I have 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 clove, of garlic. Gotta have your garlic. And 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And I have some salt, but we're going to reserve that because not everybody wants it as salty as others. So I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing first because I'm not sure how loud it's going to be in regards to my microphone. We have a tamper, which is really cool. What will happen is we have this little top that's going to come off, and it allows you to go and stir it. So we do this. The dip spread programmable will be for 1 minute. So I'm going to go ahead and start it, and you'll see it and hear it, and then I'm going to put it down. Then I'm going to show you some other additions. So we're just going to put it down to the programmable part, and then we're going to push the button, and it automatically does it. You don't have to do anything. But as it does it, I'm going to use the tamper. I'm going to use the tamper to just mush it all down. And the tamper is made, I'm not sure if you can hear me. The tamper is made so that it does not touch the blades. It only goes down a certain amount. You probably can't see it, but it's going up from all 4 corners, and it's mixing everything in. And that's it. It is now done. So you can add salt as you choose. Again, not everybody likes things really salty. All right. This is a real, this is the perfect consistency. I don't know. Let me see if I can pour it out this way. Can you see how it comes? It's the perfect consistency. I don't have anything to taste it with. All right. So the other thing that I wanted to tell you, perfect. I would add a touch of salt, just a touch. Now, the cool thing with hummus is you can flavor it however you want. You can do artichoke and spinach hummus. You can do roasted red pepper hummus. You can do lemon hummus, pesto hummus. I like this one. And You can also do sun-dried tomatoes. So you can add in whatever flavors you want. It'll keep in your refrigerator for 1 week. You want to put it in an airtight container. And like I said, serve it with your fresh vegetables, your peppers, your carrots, your celery. Kids love to dip, and they will eat it because it's a dip, right? You can even drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top of it if you'd like, but play around with it and add in different flavors. So this was our easy hummus recipe in our high-speed blender. Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com. Join me tomorrow, and we'll see what's with lunchtime for Linda.